It is time for another monthly workshop, and this July we'll see how we can make an eyelet texture without making yarn overs. This stitch pattern is not a true lace. It doesn't have yarn overs, but it does have lovely eyelets all over. Just look at this. And those eyelets are highlighted by beautiful tiny knots. Combined, these eyelets and knots form a one-of-a-kind texture that will look great on hats, sweaters, and cardigans. Why don't I include scarves and blankets? Well, because this stitch pattern is not reversible. Its wrong side is not as impressive as its right side, but that doesn't mean that we can't add this stitch as a decoration to any project we like. So how exactly do we make these eyelets if we don't make yarn overs? Well, you'll have to come to the workshop to find out. The workshop is taking place live on Zoom on Saturday, July the 12th at noon Eastern Time, and it is free for all members of the 10 Rows a Day Club. If you are a member, the Zoom link and the quick reference card are already in your inbox. If you are not a member yet, you can easily fix this unfortunate situation at 10rowsday.com/join-club. All information about this workshop is in the live workshops and classes section of the club resources, and that's also where you will find the recording of this workshop if you can't join us live. I hope to see you on Zoom.